So I think today we're going to start doing the headliner in the Jetta. It's been falling down. I don't know if I have enough material to redo it, so we're going to take it down, measure it, see how much we need. We really have to do the sunroof because every time you open this tray, the sunroof door, all that orange stuff falls down. So to get started, we're going to take all these handles off. You just flip these out, take the screws out. We'll take off our visors here, pop those out to get to the screws, and then we'll just go through and take everything apart. So I never even noticed this little flip down visor before. One screw behind that. To remove the visor, you take the screw out and then you pull down, and it's got a hook. So you just pull this side out like that. And once you pull the visor out more, you just take this foam off and there's a connector in there you can unplug. So I pulled the sun visor off, and then you pop this cover off. That has your tool to close the sunroof manually if it ever gets stuck open. Then you pop this light cover off, and there's two more screws up in here. So we're making progress. We got this side down. We disconnected the light. This is going to be glued on, so you have to pull this off. Didn't expect leaves to be in there, but that must be from the sunroof, of course. So we've got the main headliner piece out of the Jetta. Now all we have to do is take the sunshade out for the sunroof, and this is the main part that I wanted to redo because it was like this when I got it. I didn't pull the cloth off, but every time you open and close it, all this orange stuff falls down. So you have two clips at the rear. You pop those up so you can slide it out, and then there's two more feet up here that are kind of hard to show you. I might be able to get the camera up there when I do that side. You pry up on that, and you'll slide it back. We use the wire brush on this, take all that foam off. So I'm going to start on the sunroof window. I'm going to remove these tabs that hold it in the track. We already did it on this side. Two screws just to make it easier to wrap the cloth around it. So the headliner adhesive says to apply 2 to 3 coats, wait 5 minutes, then put the headliner on. And it sprays much differently than I thought it would. It says apply it in a cross pattern from the first way you applied it. So I've got the sunroof visor done. I put the trim back in that. We're about to get started on the headliner over here. We're going to spray on a coat of this. So I just put the sunroof shade back in. We have that back on the tracks now. Now we just have to put the rest of the headliner back in. It almost looks like you're looking outside. So I've got the headliner back in the Jetta. Pretty happy with the way it came out with the tree pattern. It's bamboo actually, but sunroof shade much better. When I got the car, it was all that orange stuff up here, so anytime you would open and close it, it would just fall down on your head. So cool now. Even when you're not looking up through the trees, you're kind of looking up through the trees, see? I almost got the bamboo to line up. Pretty happy with that. Such a cool headliner. So that was a pretty cheap and easy upgrade for the GLI, just to redo the headliner in it. Pretty happy with how it came out.